Magluto tayo uli ngayon ng salmon at saka itong dadagdag nating gulay, kamoting kahoy, then lalagyan natin ng tomatoes, sibuyas at chili, saka ano ba to? Luya. So we'll start now. It's only parang sinigang na luto. Tomatoes. Then natin ang so, yan muna. Let's simmer it. Open it. And let's put water. Then, simmer it again. Buksan natin. And then, now, ilalagay natin ang talbos ng kamote. Ayan, luto na. Yummy, yummy na siya. See it. Okay, taste it. Thank you for watching. This is sinigang na salmon. Wow. Thank you for watching. Yan, may soup na kami. Thank you everyone. Kain na tayo. Yan. Kanin. At saka yung aking sinigang na salmon. Tara, kain na tayo. Higop tayo. Sarap ng sabaw. Thank you very much.